I mixed laundry detergent and lemon. How have I not done this before? Come check out today's tip and see what I used. It's just incredible. I was speechless at the result. We will need 2 lemons. Here, I'm going to cut the 2 lemons in half. I need a pot like this. Now all you have to do is squeeze the juice from these 2 lemons. This recipe seems like it would be super simple, right? Just mix lemon with detergent. But what's so great in the end? I'll show you what this simple mixture can do in your kitchen. Now that you've squeezed all the lemon, grab the detergent you don't use, maybe anyone. We're going to have to get some detergent out of the bottle. And I will keep, and now we're going to get the detergent that we took a little bit for this, put the lemon juice in, just put the lemon juice in, and cover the detergent again. And now you just have to mix everything well by shaking the lye, and it will stay like that. Now let's go ahead so you can see what I'm going to use here. I have this aluminum cup, as you can see. It's very blurry, dull, and inside it's also dark. I used it a lot to get dirty in every way. I used hot oil, which is very difficult to remove. Okay, and you just put a little bit of product in the bottle, and since there is nothing normally in the pan, you will notice that it will loosen dirt very easily. And it will give you an amazing shine. Look guys, with this product in your home, you don't even need to polish the aluminum. You will wash, this is a normal dish. And it will shine on aluminum without the need to buff it. This tip is amazing, it makes your detergent very powerful, and it makes washing dishes a lot easier down there. I am sure you will love this tip. You will see how incredible it is. And this detergent won't just be for washing aluminum, okay? It will normally serve as normal detergent as you do the dishes. It will make things so much easier. It will degrease dishes and plastic more easily. I am sure you will love this tip. And without forgetting that lemon is bactericidal, this will help eliminate bad smells from dishes. That smell of grease, that smell of dirty dishes, it's going to smell amazing now, guys. I'm rinsing it out so you can see the amazing result. Personal aluminum gets an incredible shine. It remains as new if the remains of the marks are a mark of the time of use and not the dirt. You have to do this trick at home. It's super simple and easy, and it only uses detergent and lemon. It's just incredible. It was the advice of the day. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video.